Shit.
All right, we are down on Wall Street, gonna go to Fuku, David Chang's fried chicken joint. Never actually had it, so I'm pretty stoked. So Chang is famous, got a couple restaurants in this city, so this should be pretty good. There you go. Ooh. Looks pretty good. It's got a nice pickle in there. Chicken's nice and crispy.
Terrific.
Chang knows what he's doing. I thought it would be good. The pickle is the key. When you're something crispy and fried, a little pickle, a little acidity goes a long way. All right, let me show you this. It's actually real chicken. I feel like that doesn't happen very much in chicken sandwiches. I'm getting out of here because I'm freezing.